Let's dive into the world of herbal serenity. Marshmallow root tea, your bedtime companion for restful nights. Brewing this soothing remedy is a breeze. Simply add a tablespoon of dried marshmallow root to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes, allowing the herbal goodness to infuse. Then, sip and savor. Marshmallow root's mucilaginous properties create a comforting coat in your throat, providing relief from coughing and irritation. It's like a gentle herbal embrace before bedtime. Say farewell to sleepless nights with this natural sleep aid by your side. Subscribe for more daily tips.